Hello students, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. If you have already received the photocopy of your CBSE answer sheet and now you are confused about how to apply for verification or revaluation, then this video is very important for you because in today's video I'll explain complete step-by-step process for applying verification and revaluation after receiving the scanned copy of your answer sheet. So watch this video till end. So the first step is the eligibility check. Remember that only those candidate who has applied for photocopy of answer sheet can proceed to the next step. If you have not applied for the photocopy, you cannot apply for verification or revaluation. Now the second step, you need to log in. So you need to enter your roll number and your admit card ID. Then click on login to the dashboard. Once you have logged in, you will go to candidate dashboard. In candidate dashboard, you are going to get multiple options like you can apply for verification only, or you can apply for revaluation only, or you can apply for both verification as well as re-evaluation. Remember, once you have done the final submission, you cannot modify. So choose carefully whether you are applying only for verification or only for evaluation, or you are applying for both. Here students should know the difference between verification and revaluation. In verification case, CBSE will check whether all answers has been checked or not, any question remain unchecked, totaling mistake happened or not, and marks are transferred correctly on the first page or not. Whereas in case of revaluation, you can select specific question where you feel your answer deserve more marks, examiner deducted marks incorrectly, or step marking was not given properly. Then CBSE will recheck only those selected question. So you should choose carefully whether you want to apply for verification or revaluation or for both. Now, if you have applied only for verification, you need to choose a subject for which you are applying. And if you are applying for revaluation, then again you need to select the subject from drop-down list. Like here in this example, they have chosen English and mathematics. Then same way you can choose from here mathematics which question you want to reevaluate. Then select another subject, English subject, and select the question for which you are applying for revaluation. Remember, all question number are correct as modification are not permitted after final submission. After that, after selecting the verification and revaluation, here you will see the total fees which you need to pay. There are multiple payment method, means you can pay using UPI or debit or credit card, as well as through net banking you can pay the fees. Once you pay the fees, your application is submitted and you are going to get one reference number, and you need to save this reference number or application ID for future reference. Means you need to track the application through this reference number. So you need to save this application number. Now after submission, you can check your status. So in the check status, you can see whether you have submitted, your payment is done, or it's processing, or ready evaluation result is prepared, completed, final marks updated, and closed. Now let's say important points student must know. First thing, marks can increase, decrease, or remain unchanged. Second, CBSE final result after revaluation will be considered final. Third, apply only if you genuinely feel there is a mistake. Fourth, carefully analyze your photocopy before applying. And last, keep checking official CBSE notification regularly. Now let's see common mistake by a student. Many students apply without checking answer sheet properly. They select unnecessary questions. They miss deadline and confuse verification with revaluation. Don't make this mistake. Take guidance from teacher if needed. I hope this video helped you understand the complete process of verification of marks, revaluation, and important CBSE step after photocopy of answer sheet. If this video was helpful, then like the video, hype the video, share it with all class 10th and 12th students, subscribe to channel for latest CBSE update, and comment below if you want a separate video on how to analyze photocopy of answer sheet for revaluation. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.